Okay, this is what happens when you do not harvest your broccoli soon enough. It goes to flower, but apparently you can eat the flowers. So we are going to do broccoli flower stir fry with broccoli leaf
in the stir fry.
In the stir fry, yeah, and other various vegetables. So what are we going to do? Cut it off at the base?
I don't know. Can we eat the stem? Might be a little bit tough.
I don't know. We can try,
I mean,
right?
it's probably just regular broccoli.
Usually when you cut it here. The reason we didn't cut it right away was we were unclear as to whether what we were seeing was actually the thing that we should eat or just of it. We weren't sure like how much else would grow or anything. But it sure looks like this whole plant is here just for this and that. And usually people don't eat the leaves. I don't know what they do with it. Feed them to pigs or something. If you have animals on your farm. And but anyway, we will be eating the broccoli leaves because we understand that it is edible. That's the word. Edible.
So the stalks are edible.
Oh, the whole thing, all the way down? Let's do it
I
then.
don't know about all the way, but I mean, you can see that picture there. It's pretty far down.
Oh, wow. Well, so let's do it. Oh, and then what? There's another plant coming up in the back, so that's good.
These are both also broccoli. But
Now there's another one that's sort of branching off from the stem at the bottom. So should we just cut?
Oh, over here.
So should we just cut
There's
right
some
here?
coming over here. So we ought to just cut up there.
Is that what we should do?
I mean, if they're coming up there, then...
Okay. I don't know if that's gonna grow.
Well, I mean...
It looks... Have we been watering? It looks a little dry.
Cut it later.
Okay.
Always.
Alright, so right now we're just cutting here.
Mm-hmm.
And then we are not cutting the leaves in?
I don't know. You're gonna cut some?
Yeah. Huh.
I'll cut a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's get this guy first.
Okay. Do you need me to hold it?
I'm just trying to find
the angle?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that thing.
I know.
If I saw it from this angle, I would not think broccoli. Right?
Yeah, very weird.
Okay, so what are we gonna do with leaves?
You want to cut some of the bigger ones, maybe?
Yeah, I
like
suppose.
This guy,
Well, he's definitely needing to be cut. I don't know if we want to eat that. Okay. Yeah. All right.
It's like a bouquet.
Yeah, get like a few of the bigger ones. It makes sense to get the bigger ones, right?
Get the eaten ones.
Well, bigger so that they can be eaten, and bigger so that...
Should I get this one that's half eaten?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that kind of eaten.
Yeah.
I thought you meant us eaten.
This one.
Okay, so now the question is, will that little thing grow into a big
There's
broccoli?
a few of them.
Oh, there are?
3 of them.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is a good experiment.
And the other one coming up over here is looking better.
Okay.
Over here. Yeah, they're coming. They're slow. But...
Should we cut any more leaves?
What
do the leaves do?
Like, you know, photosynthesis.
And so are they necessary?
Yeah, it needs energy to...
Okay.